208 species in genus Agrostis. Agrostis, a deep dive with Furbvu. The world of grasses is vast and often overlooked. But for me, Furbvu, there's a particular genus that holds a special fascination. Agrostis belong to the Poaceae family. Commonly known as bentgrass, this genus boasts a cosmopolitan distribution, thriving in diverse environments across the globe. From the manicured greens of golf courses to the rugged slopes of mountains, Agrostis species have carved their niche with quiet resilience. Why Agrostis? My interest in Agrostis stems from its remarkable adaptability and understated beauty. These grasses might not flaunt vibrant blossoms, but their delicate inflorescences and slender leaves possess a subtle charm. Moreover, the genus exhibits a remarkable diversity, with over 200 species adapted to various habitats and climates. This diversity presents a captivating puzzle, prompting me to delve deeper into the world of Agrostis. Unraveling the diversity of Agrostis. Identifying Agrostis species can be quite challenging, even for seasoned botanists. The minute differences in their spikelets and florets often require careful examination under magnification. However, this challenge only adds to the allure of the genus. Each correct identification feels like a small victory, a testament to the power of observation and the intricate beauty hidden within the seemingly simple. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The ecological role of Agrostis. Agrostis species play a crucial role in various ecosystems. They provide food and habitat for numerous insects and small mammals. Their extensive root systems help stabilize soils, preventing erosion and promoting water infiltration. Moreover, some species contribute to nutrient cycling, enhancing soil fertility. In managed landscapes, Agrostis species are valued for their aesthetic qualities and functional benefits. They are used in lawns, golf courses, and sports fields, providing a lush green carpet that can withstand heavy foot traffic. Furthermore, some species are employed in revegetation efforts, helping to restore degraded lands. The challenges and opportunities. Despite their ecological and economic importance, Agrostis species also present some challenges. Some species can become invasive, outcompeting native vegetation and disrupting ecosystems. Moreover, the widespread use of certain species in monoculture lawns can contribute to biodiversity loss and the increased use of pesticides and fertilizers. However, these challenges also present opportunities for innovation and sustainable practices. Researchers are exploring the potential of Agrostis species for phytoremediation, using plants to remove pollutants from the environment. Moreover, there is growing interest in developing low-maintenance lawns and landscapes that incorporate a diversity of Agrostis species and other native plants. Looking ahead, as I continue my exploration of Agrostis, I am excited to witness the ongoing research and innovation surrounding this fascinating genus. From developing new cultivars with improved traits to understanding the complex interactions between Agrostis species and their environment, there is much to discover. I believe that by appreciating the subtle beauty and ecological significance of Agrostis, we can foster a deeper connection with the natural world and inspire more sustainable practices in our landscapes. The journey of discovery is just beginning, and I am eager to see what the future holds for this remarkable genus.